Hi guys, in front of me is Oppo A95 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select wallpapers and style and mark wallpapers. Here you can select something from your own album, one from online wallpapers, static wallpapers, just pick the one that you like the most, or upload it obviously. Let me choose, for example, this one, then click on apply, and now decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both home and lock screens. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.